working outside, and looky what I got. So came from Panic. It was really easy to hook up. You just do what they say, mark everything, and then put it in, and it lines up, and then just adjust them. So when you take these guys out here, but when you're looking at the individual throttle bodies, so watch this here. As soon as you touch the throttle on the right, you should get a little bit of movement. Immediate movement on the far one, and it should be the exact same balance as the other ones. So I visualed this, and it's pretty much bang on. Put a feeler gauge in there too, exact to test it. So when this thing's ready to go and I hook up the instrument to it to see what the response is, it should be pretty close. And if not, well, I'll make a few adjustments, but just gonna run the throttle cable now. That has to be modified. Vacuum lines are all done. New alternator from a JZ put in with the excessive bracket. Very easy install, apart from a few little things I got to change. This is just a ground wire. I'm probably going to move it to the block somewhere. And if you notice, I have a Miata radiator now. This is a 3-core with twin fans, and we did test it before we did all this stuff here, and she runs nice and cool. She was getting a little bit hot there before, but now she's nice and cool, so pretty happy with that. Now the only thing I got to do right now is I got to fix the pulley here, my idler pulley for the power steering pump. Looks like my tension, the little bracket for it's gone, so I'm gonna have to get a new one here, or the bolt that tightens it. And then I took everything apart here. All the bolts were all loosened off on this thing, so I Loctited everything with some blue medium strength, cleaned all the threads up. But yeah, there she is. Hopefully we'll get this running soon. Okay, here's the old alternator, here's the new bracket. Look at the size difference of these guys. I'm told this is just pretty much a straight bolt up. Let's just see if I have the right size. Oh, look at that, it's even a 14. Love it. So basically, so all I'm going to do now is tighten it up. That's it. All right, now I'm gonna put a little 10mm on. Yeah. Okay, now let's go and do this. It's been a while since I worked on this stuff, so I forgot how